And having said that, see the achievements of the Women World Cup winners. See the achievement of the Blind Cricket World Cup winners, whatever has happened.
Revanth Reddy on the frame now. He's so happy to take that penalty shootout. Jersey number 9, the Chief Minister of Telangana State, Mr. Revanth Reddy. All his hard work, all the days he had practiced. Yes! It's a goal! Finally, he's successful there.
Totally. And no goalkeeper could have stopped it. Now, because it was so cornerish off the goal, it was tough for the goalkeeper as well. Yeah. But yeah, having said that, cricket, of course, like we know, everybody knows that it breathes in our hearts. Yeah, that is so important. More important where Messi comes out here as Lionel Messi coming out here in the GOAT Tour 2025 to support the nice cause of promoting football in our country. That's so much needed now as he waves to this crazy crowd. Look at this. This is magnanimous. It is the RGI International Stadium right here in Uppal, Hyderabad. That's packed as Leo kind of takes a lot of shots. But yeah, we were mentioning about women achieving so much. Yes, the ICC Women's World Cup winners, the champions out there, and of course, don't forget, it's always, as the women blind World Cup winners are also been there as a small kid going out there and enjoying his time alongside with Messi wearing number 10 on the back as well. So yeah, first ever T20 World Cup victory by the blind women's team. Also, they went out there and met Rahul Gandhi, Narendra Modi ji, everybody. And of course, they also did go out there and meet power star Pawan Kalyan himself yesterday. So yeah, women actually lead, Swarna. There's no doubt about that.
Thank you for supporting, and especially coming back to the football. We have seen lots of development in the women football in India, and especially the girls coming from Northeast. And even in all the states, we have seen a lot of development, giving a lot of encouragement to the women footballers. And nowadays, AFF had taken broad steps to encourage for all the privileged kids to take up football and learn and come to play domestic matches, giving a lot of opportunities in different platforms. And we are now watching a junior, jersey number 10, junior little Messi there, exchanging the passes with the legends.
See, that is where I was trying to say. He's here to promote the next generation of the game, right? That's exactly what he's doing. That's symbolically what he's shown, that, it's going to be the next future of football as Revanth Reddy. He